Welcome to qnawire.
Here we're asked to use enthalpies of formation from a textbook in order to determine the standard enthalpy change for the following reaction. In this case, I don't have access to your textbook, so I'm going to use Overby and Chang chemistry textbook on the 13th edition. So in this case, the delta H standard for the reaction would be equal to the delta H of formation of the products. In this case, the first one is going to be water as a gas. You need to be extra careful with that. Plus delta H standard of formation of CO2 as a gas, minus then delta H of formations for the reagents. In this case, we're going to have delta H of formation of methanol as a liquid, minus the delta H standard of formation of O2 as a gas. Remember that the enthalpies of formations of elements under standard state is going to be equal to 0, so that's how we know directly without having to consult the table that this is going to be equal to 0, and the other values are going to be the following. For CO2 in gas phase, the enthalpy of formation is minus 393.5 kilojoules per mole. For the case of water as a liquid, the enthalpy of formation is going to be of minus 187.6 kilojoules per mole. And finally, the case for methanol, we're going to get methanol as a liquid is going to have an enthalpy of formation of minus 238.7 kilojoules per mole. So adding things up would be 238.7 minus 393.5 minus 187.6 gives us a delta H standard of the reaction equal to minus 342.4 kilojoules. In this case, you can write it down as kilojoules directly as stating that this is the delta H of reaction, and sometimes some people like to employ kilojoules per mole, referring that this is going to correspond per each mole of reaction. So regardless, this is going to be your numerical answer. Thank you very much and have a good one.